Neurodivergent Leadership, an Underutilized Resource. Abstract. This article examines the underutilized leadership potential of neurodivergent individuals in the workplace. Drawing from research in neurodiversity, leadership, and organizational behavior, it explores the inherent competencies commonly possessed by those with autism, ADHD, dyslexia, and other neurologically diverse conditions that can make them well-suited for senior roles when provided the proper developmental support. Strategies are proposed for nurturing neurodivergent talents into executive strengths through unbiased assessments, cultivating self-awareness, customized coaching, mentorship, and outcome-based promotion and evaluation. Real-world cases are also presented of accomplished neurodivergent leaders achieving success in technology and finance by capitalizing on their divergent cognitive gifts. The brief argues neurodivergent traits represent untapped brainpower. When organizations focus on performance over traits, make proactive environmental adjustments, and view neurodiversity as a priority for inclusion, rather than assimilation alone. Unlocking neurodivergent potential represents a pathway to transformational results for progressive firms. As a longtime researcher and consultant focused on neurodiversity and organizational effectiveness, I have had the privilege of working with countless neurodivergent individuals over the years, and I have witnessed firsthand their tremendous potential, not just as employees, but as leaders. While traditional views still tend to see neurodivergence primarily as a challenge or deficit to be managed, the research and my extensive experience strongly suggest that organizations would benefit greatly from embracing neurodivergent traits in their leadership. Today, we will explore the research foundation supporting neurodivergent leadership strengths, provide practical strategies for development and promotion, and share real-world examples of successful neurodivergent executives demonstrating their value. My hope is that highlighting this important issue can help more organizations unlock the untapped potential of neurodivergent talent at all levels. Research supporting neurodivergent leadership strengths. A growing body of research indicates that neurodivergent individuals often possess natural competencies that translate exceptionally well to leadership roles. For example, those with autism spectrum disorders tend to have laser-like focus. Goldstein et al. 2001. See details that others miss and approach problem-solving in innovative new ways. Happ and Frith 2020. ADHD leaders tend to be passion-driven, think outside the box, multitask effectively, and excel in fluid, fast-paced work. Fair 2016. Dyslexic executives demonstrate strong visualization skills, bring a holistic systems perspective, and excel at managing complexity. Freeman 2010. Neurodivergent leaders also tend to be bluntly honest and transparent in communications. Baron Cohen 2011. Data-driven and metrics-oriented in decision-making, Craig et al. 2016. Resilient and persistent in overcoming challenges, Albone 2009. Their candid styles, laser focus on facts over politics, and refusal to give up often serve them exceptionally well in roles requiring strategic vision, sound judgment under pressure, and breakthrough innovation. Their neurologically diverse cognitive processing can be a true asset when tackling complicated problems from new angles. Strategies for developing neurodivergent leaders. To help nurture the inherent strengths of neurodivergent individuals into leadership success requires developmental strategies that play to their talents while also providing needed support. Provide unbiased professional assessments to discern true strengths and potential beyond impairments or weaknesses. Cultivate self-awareness of cognitive processing differences and accommodations needed. Design role-specific coaching focused on organizational politics navigation, networking, and executive presence. Establish mentors with similar neurodivergence for inspiration and guidance. Promote on proven performance, not charisma or comfort in traditional leadership modes. Adjust environments proactively to reduce sensory overloads or distractions interfering with focus. With the right tools, neurodivergent leaders can successfully develop the sophisticated people skills required at the highest levels while preserving their invaluable divergent thinking abilities. The keys are playing to their inherent strengths pragmatically. Industry examples of neurodivergent leadership success. Real-world examples underscore the value neurodivergent executives can provide given proper support. Two powerful cases illustrate the point. Technology. Dan Ayub, the autistic COO of Anthropic, a leading AI safety startup, brings his laser focus and novel problem-solving to high-level strategic challenges. He thrives in the fast-paced tech sector, tackling complex issues while driving the company vision. Finance. Darren Miller, a renowned dyslexic hedge fund manager, visualizes market dynamics in sophisticated new ways that led his firm to top returns for years. His holistic thinking delivered unique investment insights and opportunities that enriched the organization tremendously. Both demonstrate how neurodivergent traits translate to executive success when cultivated through individualized strategies that maximize inherent gifts. With the right organizational culture and developmental approach, professionals like Ayub and Miller can thrive at the highest levels across industries. Conclusion. In closing, the research conclusively shows that neurodivergent cognitive processing differs, not deficits. Their divergence often imbues inherent competencies and perspectives perfectly suited for leadership when coupled with supportive development frameworks. While traditional views persist in some sectors, progressive organizations unlocking neurodivergent potential at all career stages gain a formidable competitive edge through the cultivation of neurologically diverse talent. The contributions of successful neurodivergent executives highlighted here illustrate but a fraction of what neurodivergent leaders have to offer when organizations make inclusion, not assimilation, a priority. By focusing on proven performance over traits or charisma and adjusting environments proactively, neurodivergent professionals represent an untapped reserve of brainpower more firms could tap into for transformational results.